My name is Maryse Robert. I'm the director of the Department of Economic Development at the OAS.
Why the OAS think this is a relevant initiative?
Well, I think this is exactly what the OAS, the type of events that the OAS wants to do. At the OAS, what we do in development, there are essentially three things. The sharing of best practices through policy dialogue, and then out of this policy dialogue emerges ideas to, again, to share best practices, but also to learn from one another through capacity building and horizontal cooperation. So ACE is the perfect example of that, because we bring together decision makers from all over the Americas and a few from outside the hemisphere, bring them together during 1 week where they can actually visit and learn from one another, visit innovation hubs, places where there is not only innovation, use of technology in a way that has been beneficial for economic development in the country we visit. So this is really what makes, I think, ACE very unique. And also what it brings is that it brings together all these people, and they, during the week, have the opportunity to share and learn from one another, share their own experiences. And we have seen a number of collaboration, actually quite a few from the last few ACEs. And this is what we believe is the best way to do development in the 21st century. It's a 1 week tour. A 1 week tour which includes, in fact, 24 countries, 51 participants. And we are visiting innovation hubs in 10 cities of 2 states in the United States, Arizona and California. So this is, in that sense, and we go to small towns, we go to larger cities like Phoenix, smaller town, a town of 2,000 people like Gilda Bend in Arizona. We'll be going to San Diego. We've been to Tucson. So I think it also provides an opportunity to see that innovation happens everywhere, not just in large communities, but also in small cities like Gilda Bend with 2,000 people, where they're about to exploring the possibility of selling electricity to Mexico and to California.